So you've got your awesome song all ready to go in FL Studio, and now you want to export it with the best possible quality. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to walk you through the best export settings to ensure your song sounds absolutely top-notch. First things first, before you even think about exporting, let's make sure you're hearing your song in the best quality while you're working on it. To do this, simply go to Options and then Audio Settings. Here you'll see the sample rate setting. Now, the higher the sample rate, the better the quality, but keep in mind that higher sample rates can be harder on your computer. I recommend a sample rate of 48000, which strikes a good balance between quality and performance. Now on to exporting your song. All you need to do is go to File, then Export, and choose WAV file. Now let's dive into the settings. It's worth mentioning that you can actually render two things at once. So if you want, then you can export MP3 and WAV file at the same time. First, let's talk about mode. You have two options, Pattern and Full Song. Choose Full Song to export your entire track. For the tail, select Cut Remainder. This ensures your song ends right after the audio finishes, without any unnecessary silence. Next, set the bit depth to 32-bit float for the highest quality audio. Now let's talk about the most important setting. Click on Resampling under the Quality section and select 512-point sync. This will give you the best sound quality possible, but keep in mind that the file size will be larger compared to MP3s. In the Miscellaneous section, make sure to enable Master Effects. This ensures that any effects or processing you've applied to your master track are included in the exported file. You can also choose to save tempo information and note markers if you'd like. Moreover, you can simply copy my settings. And that's it. You're all set to export your song with the best possible quality. Just click Start and sit back while FL Studio works its magic. Remember, these settings may take up more space on your computer, but trust me, the superior sound quality is worth it. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy your professionally exported masterpiece.